Hi everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD four-wheel drive midsize pickup truck. So let's get started here. We'll check out the inside here. I just got done with my test drive. Drivability, everything passed my inspection. Brakes felt good. Suspension, no weird noises. Up here on the cluster panel, there's no warning lights. Everything seems to be operating properly. Got speed good, all that. Does have a lot of options on this Tacoma. Power windows, power locks, and power adjustable mirrors. Over here it does have hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your cell phone through this car's speaker system. Over here it does have lane assist. So when you're on the highway, it's going to keep you in your lane, and also adaptive cruise control. So when you're on the highway, got the adaptive cruise control on, someone slows down in front of you, it's automatically going to adjust. It does have 98,150 miles on the odometer. Does have navigation here. This also doubles as your backup monitor when you throw it in reverse like I just did. AM, FM, and XM radio, as well as some other options there. You can see you can get the weather, the traffic, of course phone, things of that sort right on the touchscreen radio. It does have heated seats up front here and climate control options down here. Now your four-wheel drive knob is right here to go from 2 to 4-wheel drive, and then down here it does have the blind spot mitigation here. So if someone's in your blind spot on this pickup truck, there's sensors back there in the rear tail lamps. It's going to let you know where someone's at, that they can't see you. There'll be a little amber emblem that pops up there. So it does have that. It does have the re-gearing of the transmission, is what this ECT power is. Basically allows your transmission to get to higher RPMs before it shifts. Does have power rear window back here, rear slider, couple plugins for your cell phone, both USB and auxiliary port, and then down here is your wireless cell phone charger, which I've got my cell phone charging right on it right now. Couple beverage holders, automatic transmission, emergency brake, and a couple more, or one more beverage holder, and a spot to put your key. It does have keyless entry and a nice glove compartment down there. Main glove compartment looks like it does have the factory books in it. I did pull up the history report on this. Scores well. Also a one owner. Dealership is the second owner and never been involved in any accident. Again, this Tacoma is powered by the 3.5 liter V6. Enough the inside. Let's check out. Well, check out the moonroof. Let's go check out the outside here. Really pretty blue color outside here. Does have the hood scoop on the front, chrome surround on the grille. Up front here, everything really looks good. Windshield itself looks good. I didn't notice any cracks or anything in it. Does have alloy wheels that are machined and then painted. Those are 17-inch wheels. Decent tread on the tires yet. This is a 4-door crew cab. Plenty of space back here for the guest. Seat belts and seating for 3, for a total of 5. Bed looks really good. This does have backup sensors in it, so as you're backing up this vehicle, it's going to beep at you if you get close to maybe the kid's bicycle they left right behind your truck. Does have the bed liner in it, and the Tacoma topper for the bed. Does have a hitch down here with factory wiring, both 7-pin and 4-pin. There's your hitch. Has just above a 6,000 pound tow rating. Again, the TRD, which is the off-road version of the Tacoma 4-wheel drive Sport. Really a nice loaded up Tacoma pickup truck. Great quality coming out of these Toyota pickup trucks. Gets up to 22 miles per gallon with that 3.5 V6. Overall, really clean vehicle for a 2018 with 98,000 miles. Definitely drives good, looks good, and I like the size of it as well. It's easy to handle going down the road. So if you need any more information, I'll post a couple links below about this vehicle, about financing, because that's available, and about your trade. If you are looking for a trade value, we can get you a trade value. Just give us the information, we'll shoot you back a value. So simple as that. We like to make it easy. Thanks for watching this review video. We hope you find it helpful.